So I have joined a new college and I'm doing BCA there. Let me explain you guys in brief. Uh, I'll explain you what are the problems I have till now and how did I solve all these problems through Bhagavad Gita, and how did um, why did I change to BCA and understand that it's my work ethic, it's what all things I did and the people I choose to communicate to, so that I can live a better life with whatever knowledge I have gained, whatever things I have achieved through my work. Before all this even happened, Guruman said in a video that in India the entire education system is wrong. So they need to fix the entire education system. Uh, they have to do changes in that, and even some other people who became very successful, etc. People, these people were also telling the same thing. The education system has to become more good. They need to change that. But I didn't actually understand why did they tell that, because when I was in 6th to 8th or till 10th, I was just a kid who was regularly studying. I used to see some people copying. I used to see some people doing mischief. Mostly they were scolded, they were grounded for a few days, but they weren't removed, and their mischievous acts and people still copying, all these things were still continuing. I didn't understand, neither did I pay too much focus on it in those days, because I didn't know what it would lead to, and this leading cause has made the education system given problems because of the egoistic and spoiled mentality that they have. People are already stuck in their life and their problems, and when another person comes up with something creative in future, uh, that can benefit all people's life, they are already stuck with what they have because they are not doing that sincerely. that's the first reason that that's the first reason that they are copying. They are messed up in their life with problems, uh, because of their not working sincerely in the first place. They are already messed up in their lives and they are sad because of that. So what happened to me was I was studying bachelor's exercise sports science in Karnataka, and even before going there I was already worked out for 3 years, followed proper nutrition of a person who has done degree in bachelor's exercise sports science, and National Academy Sports Fitness Association, and many other degrees. That's known as Guruman. I followed his training plans. I was already trained for strength, hypertrophy, and endurance. I did it all by myself. All those programs were freely available on YouTube. But Mission India Fit was more than that. It was about tackling the health problems that are there in our country and solving kids' health issues. Everything plans were available for free. After me following those programs, getting good results, dropping weight, gaining muscle mass, what I did was I started telling people, even after my dad tackled diabetes, I started telling people so that the entire community will become more healthy. So after this, I ate break juice at French toast. I made my own workout plan, training plan, um, and about Bhagavad Gita and how anime has motivated me. There are a lot of content in this. I made a nutrition plan that was tasty, healthier, and that everyone can follow. And what I wanted was I did something that people do at the age of 22 to 30-year old. When they get to that age, they if a person is actually creative and he has made something on his own that can benefit the entire company, or that can benefit that entire people that are there, uh, what that person does is he goes to a certain uh, group, or he approaches certain people that are into his field and somewhat of his work that is similar, that is for his people. he goes there. He goes there, and what he does is he tries to convince them so that they can work together and improve on each other and make it a successful business, and that guy can lead the way to all the people who haven't done as much as he has done in that field. With doing that, the entire people that are working with them will develop and become better. They'll become more good. This is what I try to do, and you guys can see and read my Instagram highlights where I uh, try to explain my work to everyone so that their life could get better, everyone's life could get better. But one day it all started when someone I called, and that person, when while I was explaining my thing, they were telling completely something else, to not even discuss the thing that I made people's life good, to talk about that. So I felt like it was a waste of time talking to him, because they asked me, why did I do this certain thing? Why did I do this certain thing? I have already kept in that picture, I have already kept in that caption, I already kept in that video, I already explained in it. But still, to explain it in brief, I call them to explain about my struggle, to explain about the things that I have done, but they don't have enough patience, and they discuss with me something else completely, but I still give proper answer to that, and they ask me something else completely, and which I have already written in that picture. So what I do is I wait for some time if they have anything to add on, but they don't have anything to add on, and they cut the call. If anyone would have cut the call like that for me, how I would have been? I would have been like, I wouldn't have been like that in the first place. Whatever that other guy had to tell me, no matter however he was, I would have had enough patience to get to know from that person. And after I have enough patience to get to know from that person, I would have agreed or disagreed based on my view of opinion or judgment. But what happened to me was, after I got the call, I started getting calls from different people. After I started getting calls from different people, I changed my mobile number. Uh, I used that number for less time. I kept it in Wi-Fi, gave it to a different phone, or I only used it for some time. But that phone, while I was using it, and I was trying to communicate in Teams and in, what do we say this? It can be in Teams, or it can be in a WhatsApp. It can be in any online platform that I try to talk to. It can be during the class. It can be during anything. What happened to me was, my right eye, half of it, started getting more bloodier. This right eye, and I that only happened till I used that phone. Till I was there in that certain team chat. Till I was there in that certain group. But I still explained my work. Almost 1 to 3 months, I have kept the group chat in my highlights, because it's my work and I have explained it to people, how my life became good with it. I have explained it, so I kept it in my Instagram highlights. You guys can go and read that entire thing. After my right eye started getting more bloodier, and another thing that happened was, every time that I was trying to talk, this I didn't identify it then and there, but the people that are egoistic or that are already spoiled, what will happen is, they are like, how is this person even telling me? Because they are already messed up in their life because of the non-sincere work. uh, and if another person tries to explain them, we give them a choice. We try to explain our work, they don't want us to do that. That time, speaking became more difficult when lot of people are there to me, like, how is this guy explaining me, how is this guy telling me. Then I was unable to talk there properly. Again, when I went to people like Fire Elements that work out, or that are like me in the gym, I used to split and I used to be able to speak properly. But why am I even facing that issue? I didn't even want to face that issue. If it was like that, I need to be roaming in a gang with a certain type of people. And I always had to roam with these kind of people, explaining the same thing that I have already done. But I am not a person like that. I'm a person like Thomas Alva Edison. I'm a person that's like that one that invented the heat engine. It's not like I don't have enough people that come for me. It's not like I don't have enough people that support me. I have enough people that come to me when I need them the most. It can be anything, but I don't want it to be like that. The person that faces less problems in their life and works on what he wants to work on and becomes good while doing that work is the person that's going to develop in life, and he's going to be better version of himself. That's what I wanted to be. Give you guys another example of me. I'm not a person that is like a bodybuilder, that is like an artist, that is like a person that's between some people, and I'm just going to stick to them. I'm going to like be with them and work with them. I'm not that kind of person. You can even take an example, a shop mechanic, anything that's going to stick to certain kind of people and he's going to be with them and he's going to work with them. I'm not a guy that's like that. Why was I even able to make an invention? Why was I even able to create an own diet plan, create a new video while keep on working on it and did the editing better? How was I capable to get to this state while only I was performing this task? Uh, Take an example of Edison. Edison do the one of the famous inventions that Edison has done is he has invented a bulb. So Edison has invented a bulb, and he has never even worked in a group, or he hasn't tried to convince majority of people and stick to them for a longer period of time. Worked with William Joseph Hammer, that's an electric engineer. 1879, he was his laboratory assistant in December. Experiments on telephone, photograph, electric railway to make some inventions. But Edison wasn't with them for a longer period of time because he has his own ideas, his own thoughts, and when he is alone in a laboratory, I don't mean he is alone, doesn't mean he is literally alone. See, if you are in a class or you are in, how should I explain it to you? Yeah, if you are in a class or you are playing a certain thing, any game or anything, if you are ordered to write something, everyone writes the same thing. But one guy practices it, understands it, and writes it in a better way so that everyone can understand it. That's me. That's what I do. I make my notes simpler so that any normal person, whichever complicated topic I take, he can understand it. I'm in everyone, but while writing the notes, while creating the notes that everyone can understand, while explaining in a way that everyone can understand, I'm alone because only I'm doing that, writing it in a way that everyone can understand, even a simple person, that complicated topic. So in this process I'm alone. Similarly, Edison, while inventing bulb, he only has those ideas, he only wants to create that certain thing that can make people's life good, so even he is alone. I'm a person like Edison. Whatever work I do, maybe the drawings I did, maybe the workout I did, maybe the training split I follow, maybe the diet plan I follow. I'm eating with everyone, but I'm eating something that only I'm eating. I'm training with everyone, but the split is something, the exercise is something that only I'm doing, the methodology is something that only I'm doing, and the editing is something that only I am doing, not same as everyone's. but it's so good that it can benefit everyone. You understand me, right? Similarly, a person known as Einstein, he also invented a heat pump. He is also similar to the work I do. He is also similar to how I work. We do different work, but it's a similarity between us. So when here, they were doing theoretical physics and they were doing something on quantum physics. But while doing his inventions, he's the only one doing it, because the ideas that he gets and the work that he does is something that's completely different from the other scientists, because only he is having those ideas, and this person, more than finding like everyone telling him that he has invented this, he has invented that, and it's benefiting our lives, he finds that more uh, to live and to do that work, that willingness, when he what he does is he keeps on doing what he's doing. That's when he finds joy in that. Similar to me, when I keep on doing what I'm doing and I do more of that, I keep finding joy in that. So these people aren't in a certain association, they aren't working under someone, they aren't always working with someone, they are doing their work on their own, and they are uh, living on their own. That's how I am. Another thing that was happening was my thought process was slowed down. If I had to go down and get the keys, I was taking too much time for that. I was taking too much time. If I wouldn't have been talking to these type of people, I would have done that in 1 to 2 minutes. But I was taking, oh, I have to get the keys. Oh, this, oh yeah, okay, this is something I have to do. I needed to go down again. I needed to. It used to take 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. It took more time for me. When a thought process is slowed down and our work is slowed down, but I still try to work in that, and I compare myself. When I'm talking to these type of people, when I'm trying to be between these type of people, how I'm working, am I still being able to do more workout or do less workout, or am I even late for my workouts? I was a bit late for my workouts. I was working out uh, a little bit less, and even following my diet to that certain point became a little bit difficult. And the people that don't work sincerely, and these people are already messed up in their lives, and they don't have this thing. If they are not Sayami, if they don't have regularity in their life, what happens to them is, what happens to them is they don't have that manpe niyantran, and they keep throwing things, they keep uh, scolding, they keep shouting. These things got a bit in me, and I wasn't good with my relationships with my parents till I was with them. But currently I'm not between these type of people and not trying to talk to them. So I'm able to speak properly. Even now I'm able to speak properly. Voice is coming out from my throat. The people that I'm talking to are like, yeah, you have done it. We'll have enough patience to listen to you. I'm going and talking to these type of people only most of the time, and if they're not like that, I'm going to a different person. So I'm able to speak properly. I don't need to go to people like fire elements that are there that work out and talk to them and split, and then I'm able to speak properly. I don't have to do all these things. It was me that has worked out. It was me that have made my videos. It was me that have researched on it. It was me that has followed the diet plan. It was me that have done the training. It was me that have studied for my exams. It was me that has done everything. So I place myself on major importance, because when I work efficiently, I live properly, I am the one that's getting better, that's going to develop in my life. So I'm going and talking to these type of people that I care about, um, when I'm not facing these many problems and I'm working well and developing in my life. So now, as I'm talking to good people and I'm only talking to good people, my thought process isn't getting slowed down. My work is not getting slowed down. My thought process is good, it's fast. I'm able to do work properly. If I have to go and get the keys, I'm going and getting the keys in 2 minutes. If I have to go and do some cooking work, I'm going and doing that cooking work. And as I'm not talking to people that are already stuck with problems in their life, that aren't so sincere and they don't have that manpani and they keep on throwing things. I'm not throwing things. I'm good with my parents. I'm good in my relationships. And I'm working out as much as I want. I'm dieting as much as I want. I'm doing everything as much as I want. Another thing that happened to me was, yeah, this right I was getting bloody, alright? Until I was using that same SIM card and that same device, that right I was getting more filled up with blood while I was trying to talk there, or even using the Teams app or something. So what I did was I kept that thing aside and I went out to play. I kept my phone and my, what do we call this, SIM card, everything aside, and I went out to play. Bhagavad Gita, the same thing I have learned. I applied it again. सुखे दुखे समय कृत्वा लाभो लाभ जया जहो सुखम विद्याधिका दुखम सहयोगी परमो होता. Sukh, when life gives us sukh dukh, the person that stays the same and like yogi does meditation, the guy does his work, gets paramo hota to take an ultimate decision to improve his work, to improve his life, so that the sadder times aren't faced again and he can stay at that sukh state or that yogi working state to work better. So, what I did was, uh, I understood the Paramota decision that I took was, I already wrote in an Instagram caption about it, but I just kept walnuts in it. But it can be applied in the entire people's life. Bhagavad Gita can be applied in entire people's life. Uh, the screenshot will appear somewhere here. Screenshot, not a screenshot, the pic of it. Uh, so when I didn't use that SIM card and that phone, my right eye wasn't getting bloodier. So what I did was, I didn't use that phone and that SIM card so much. I kept it aside somewhere. I used a different one for some time, and I kept using a different phone and a different SIM card for more time. The paramouth I took was, when I want to, I'll use the different phone and a different SIM card. The thing, uh, and that anime content that makes me never give up in my life, and people's life will keep on getting better from whatever I do. My work is also to make people's life good, right? So what I'm doing is to make people's life good. So that's it for the video, guys. Goodbye. Let's meet in another one, or you'll get to know any of my content, anything else in another video. Bye, guys. That's it for this video. What else? मेरा और क्या? I am doing my work and मेरा work करते करते मुझे अच्छा बनना है. So I'm staying in Hyderabad, taking care of my जो भी मेरे साथ है. मेरा पेरेंट्स रहेंगे, मेरा थोड़े पेट्स रहेंगे मेरे साथ, एंड BCA कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो भी कर रहा हूँ मेरे पास, मैं मेहनत करता हूँ, सिंसियरली वर्क करूँगा, एंड मेरे पास जितना भी नॉलेज है और फर्दर जितना भी गेन करूँगा मेरे पढ़ाई के थ्रू, रिसर्च के थ्रू, वगैरह वगैरह चीज़ों से, मैं मेरा लाइफ और बेहतर करूँगा उससे. And I'll keep producing content for you guys. So stay tuned, keep updated. अपडेटेड नहीं, मैं ऐसा ही कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस करता जाऊँगा आप लोगों के लिए. That's it, guys. That's it for the video. Bye. एंड मुझे किसी से आर्ग्यू करके 10 20 30 40 ऐसे पीपल में मैं ही सही हूँ ऐसा कहवाना, 40 भी नहीं, हंड्रेड्स थाउजेंड्स कितना भी मैं ही सही हूँ इतना ज़्यादा प्रूव करना, इवन दो वो सब मैं जो वो बोलता हूँ वो नहीं करना चाहते, आई डोंट हैव दैट. I go from individual to individual explaining my work, and अगर हो hundreds and thousands, they are still good people. They are talking to me. They are trying to know my opinion. उस पे जो मेरा judgment है, उस पे जो मैंने experience किया. If they are willing to know and they are willing to accept अगर their mistake है, मेरा mistake है, they are willing to share ideas, then I'll talk to them. Uh, I'll talk to them very nicely. They'll also talk to me very nicely. We'll get to know from each other. So I'll keep on meeting good people as my work is to make people's life good, and I'll keep producing more good content for you guys. So that's it for the video, guys. Goodbye. Karmiyo को already समझा था ना, the people that good people that I meet. ऐसा ही I'll keep meeting good people, keep doing my work more good, and I'll become more good in my life.